What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to pump fake in Madden NFL 26. The process is actually very simple once you get used to it. Whenever you drop back to pass, look at the icon above the receiver's head. That icon tells you which button is assigned to that receiver. To perform the pump fake, all you need to do is quickly double tap that same button. So if the receiver's icon above the player is circle, just double tap circle to trigger the pump fake. On an Xbox controller, the same action would be done by double tapping B. During a play, you'll usually have several receivers on the field, each with their own button. You can pump fake toward any of them simply by double tapping their assigned button. It works with anything: circle, square, triangle, L1, or whichever button is linked to the receiver you want to fake toward. As long as you double tap the correct button quickly, your quarterback will deliver a smooth pump fake and hopefully draw the defense in the wrong direction. Hope this helped. If it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.